Watch this. Modern Warfare 3 crashes with error 0x1, 0x0, 0x3, 0x9. On Xbox Game Pass for PC, the game exits to desktop. Roadmap. Verify files, update drivers, reset launch options, reinstall. Timestamps and captions show each step. Starting Step 1 now. Step 1. Verify and repair game files in the Xbox app. At 010 Open Xbox app, select the game, Manage, Files, Verify. Let the scan repair corrupted files, then relaunch. Step 2 at 020, update GPU drivers via GeForce or AMD tools. Install the update, reboot Windows, relaunch the Xbox app. Step 3 at 030, disable overlays and reset launch options. Step 4 at 040, uninstall and reinstall via Xbox app if needed. Keep Windows and Xbox app updated. Like and subscribe.